The problem at hand is to calculate the derivative with respect to x. So there are three problems. 3y cubed plus x squared equals to 5. X squared y plus 2x cubed y plus equals to x plus y. 3y squared plus x squared y power 5 minus x cubed equals to 3. So all these problems involves application of the implicit differentiation to get the derivatives with respect to x. So let's see how we get the solutions. So we'll have part 1, question 2c. So the first one is 3y cubed plus x squared equals to 5. So the first step in implicit differentiation is to supply d dx on every term. So we'll have d dx of 3y cubed plus d dx of x squared equals to d dx of 5. And so using power rule here, we'll get 9y squared, but then y is taken to be a differentiable function of x. So you write dy dx plus this will give us 2x equals to 0. Now, next step is to have term with dy dx on left hand side. So we have 2y squared dy dx, and then we take this term without dy dx on the right hand side, so it'll be negative 2x. So which means dy dx alone will be given by negative 2x divided by 9y squared. So this is the answer to the first part. Now part 2. So we have x squared y plus 2x cubed y equals to x plus y. So first step, supply d dx. So we'll have d dx x squared y plus d dx 2x cubed y equals to d dx of x plus d dx of y. And then in the first case, now their product x squared and y squared. So use product y and y, use product rule. So if you call this u, this one v, so u prime is 2x times y plus this v. So d dx of y is dy dx times x squared will be x squared dy dx plus, so take this one to be 2x cubed to be u, so u prime will be now 6x squared times y plus, now d dx of y is dy dx, so it will be 2x cubed y dx equals to d dx of x is 1, d dx of y is dy dx. So next you collect terms with dy dx. So this leads us to x squared plus 2x cubed minus 1, because if when I bring this one to the left, it will be negative, and then multiply by dy dx equals to, take every term that doesn't have a dy dx to the right hand side. So we'll have 1 minus 2xy minus 6x squared y. So next step, make dy dx the subject. So this means that dy dx will be 1 minus 2xy minus 6x squared y divided by x squared plus 2x cubed minus 1. So this is the answer to the second part. And then the last part, we have xy squared plus x squared y power 5 minus x power 3 equals to 3. So step 1, supply d dx. So we'll have d dx of x y squared plus d dx of x squared y power 5 minus d dx x cubed equals to d dx of 3. So use product rule here. So let x to be u, y squared to be v. So u prime will be d dx of x is 1, so times y squared will be y squared plus, so d dx of y squared will be 2y, then dy dx multiplied by x will be 2xy dy dx plus d dx of x squared is 2x times y power 5 plus d dx of y power 5 is 5y power 4 dy dx. Multiplying by x squared, you get 5x squared y power 4 dy dx. d dx of x cubed is minus 3x squared. d dx of 3 is 0. So the next step is to collect terms with dy dx. So we'll have 2xy plus 5x squared y power 4, then dy dx. Take terms without dy dx to the right hand side. So we'll have 3x squared minus y squared minus 2xy power 5. And so this means when we make dy dx the subject, we'll have dy dx will be given by 3x squared minus y squared minus 2xy power 5 divided by 2xy plus 5x squared y power 4. So this is the solution to that given problem. Thank you.